Honeywell is a massive multinational company with revenues of around $40 billion. They are split into 4 businesses. We work in safety and productivity solutions. We first got the Mir robots on site in 2016. We decided to do a phased approach into production. So we got one robot starting to do one line, and then we introduced the other robots, and then subsequently more lines.
We started on the Mirs just doing manual assembly line stuff in a very basic format. We upgraded the Mirs to have a conveyor system on them. They can now go down to the warehouse and collect raw material, and then they can deliver that to the lines. They can make a decision whether they need to further on go and do more work, like get an extra box, or it will just continue on and join the rest of the workflow.
We've integrated RFID scanning technology so that we can check what's in the box. The robot knows which line that product needs to go to, so it automatically takes the box, scans the contents and takes it to the correct manufacturing line.
By putting the conveyor on the Mir, we gain the flexibility of being able to move anything where we want around the factory, which means with our lean principles we can tailor lines, we can move things, we don't have to have a conveyor running throughout the whole factory, which is very fixed and expensive to move. We just tell the Mir the new location and it just goes and automatically updates its mission to go to that position.
Some of the standout features on Mir are how easy it is to use. You can get it set up and working within a few minutes. Also, we use Fleet to take orders from our smart conveyor and our semi-automated smart conveyor, equally interface into third-party equipment through the WISE module. When you want to integrate the top module, normally with automation, the integrating to different manufacturers' brands of products is where the challenges happen. Fortunately with Mir, they have an open interface, so we can connect third-party equipment to the robot, such as the RFID scanner, the top module conveyor, and other sensors which we've needed to add. What we also liked is we've developed some software here which is web-based, and Mir is also web-based. So from any web page you can go in and fully program the robot and gain access to all the sensors. User-friendliness of the robots is really important for us because we want to make it as easy as possible for people using and interfacing with these robots. In the case of the warehouse conveyor, we've got rid of any user interaction in terms of telling the robot where it needs to go, and when they do have to interact with the robot, it's just a touch of a button on the screen, so they've no more interaction than that.
The impact on the site has been huge because we can now support 15 lines and we can just increase that as we go. We're not at capacity yet, we still have time where the robots are in downtime, and we've recently just hit 13,000 missions on our site.
To date we've got Mir robots in 5 factories. In terms of return on investment, the total investment made for all the steps of our project has paid back within 2 years, which is what Honeywell is looking for in terms of new investment and payback.